Once again, magandang gabi Pilipinas, hello world, and syempre, Diyos marahay na banggi, mga kasurog. Ito pa rin po ang inyong Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur at nasa Bigaten quarterfinals na po tayo. At live na live pa rin po tayo dito sa Sangay Sports Complex. At ito po ay hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na kasurog pa. Ako nga po pala si Kapa Morgan at kasama ko dito sa aking tabi ay...
Ako nga pala si John Bachiller at your service. Witness natin ating labanan Sangay versus the powerhouse Team Naga.
Yes, ito po yung ating second game sa ating first day ng ating Bigaten quarterfinals. Again, ang laban ng inaabangan dito sa Sangay, ang kanilang makakalaban na bigger and much, masasabi ba natin much stronger team? Well, makikita natin yan sa larong ito, di ba?
Tama ka dyan, partner. Kumbaga, this is a test para sa Team Naga kasi we are now in the second round and makakalaban na nila yung top 2 teams ng ibang district. So this is a huge test para sa unang laro ng mga taga-Team Naga.
Tama, tama. And wag na nating masyadong patagalin pa. Ibigay na natin ngayon ang oras para sa ating courtside reporter na si Miss Barbie Floriano kasama ang mga coaches ng maglalabang teams ngayon sa ating second matchup on our first day dito sa ating quarterfinals. Miss Barbie Floriano, come in please.
Thank you so much and good evening Coach Morgan and Coach John. We are still live here at Sangay Sports Complex para sa day 1 ng ating quarterfinals. Pero bago magsimula ang exciting game 2 ay kausapin na muna natin ang coach at team manager ng bawat team. So good evening po mga sir. So first, let's start with Team Naga, Sir Chano Morano. Tanong ko lang po, we are now on the quarterfinals. Ano po ba yung naging adjustment and preparation ng Naga?
Alam naman natin na quarterfinals na to. So lahat magagaling na top 10 to. So we try to focus on defense, saka yung mga plays namin. We try to execute during the practices kasi alam namin hindi na to biro-biroan. So yun lang.
Okay, thank you so much po, sir. And dadako naman tayo sa Team Sangay kay Coach Eric Pilapil. So Coach, i-share mo naman po sa amin kung ano ba ang aabangan ng ating viewers sa performance ng Sangay ngayong gabi.
Well, tulad ng mga nakaraang game namin, intense, yung depensa, ganun pa rin yung gagawin namin, same thing. Kaya lang, medyo alam naman natin yung Naga, medyo superpower ito yung mga big sila, very talented, yung backcourt nila talagang medyo mabibigat. Gagawin namin yung lahat na pwede namin gawin sa depensa para makontrol yung opensa nila.
Thank you so much, Coach. And pwede na po kayong bumalik sa kanya-kanya yung benches and good luck po sa inyong game. So, mga kasurog, if you are near the area, pwede po kayong manood dito sa Sangay Sports Complex, libreng-libre po. Pero if busy naman po kayo sa kanya-kanya yung tahanan at workplace, ay sagot pa rin namin kayo because we are live at Ako Bicol Party List page, Representative Zaldico, at sa YouTube, Ako Bicol Online TV. So without further ado, balik sa inyo, Coach John and Coach Morgan.
Yes, maraming salamat Miss Barbie Floriano and the coaches of both teams na na-recognize nila kung gaano ka-intense na ang magiging labanan dito sa ating quarterfinals. Kumbaga, feel nila parehas na hindi na biro-biro ang magiging labanan na ito dito nga sa ating unang day ng ating Bigaten.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Kumbaga, this is the top 2 teams ng per district. So talagang this is going to be a battle sa ating mga laro.
More on defense yung binibigyan ni ng diin ayon sa kapanayam ni Barbie Floriano kanila. So sige, malalaman natin kung sino ang mas may maigting na depensa sa magiging laro nila. And talking about depensa, didepensa kaya yung ating mga kasurog player of the game tonight? Sino yung ating mga kasurog matchup for tonight?
Yes, meron tayong kasurog matchup for tonight para sa Team Naga. Si Jerome Almario is averaging 19.4 points per game, napakalaki. And 4 assists per ball game. And on the other hand, para sa si Mr. Clutch player, alam naman natin si Eugene Malyapre with averaging 23.2 points. Kumbaga, he is siguro one of the leading scorers sa ating tournament.
Ayan, so magiging malaking factor itong dalawang players na ito sa kanilang mga kupunan. And talking about the teams naman, ano yung naipamalas nilang stats para ma-determine natin kung sino yung talagang mas may chance na manalo dito sa kanilang unang laban sa ating quarterfinals. Will it be Naga or team ng Sangay?
I've noticed here sa stats talagang yung Team Naga lording it over sa 3-point field goals with 41%, and sa free throw medyo mababa sila, pero on the other hand sa defensive rebound talaga 29.9, doon sila bumabawi. And on the part of Sangay, 53% ang kanilang 2-point average, and then yung assist nila as a team meron silang 16.2.
Okay, so medyo nakakaangat itong team ng Naga when it comes to 3-point percentage. Pero malalaman natin, who knows, baka mag-step back or step up itong team ng Sangay, lalo pat nandito sila sa kanilang home court dito sa Sangay Sports Complex.
Tama
So,
ka dyan.
partner dyan, wag na nating masyado pang patagalin. Ibigay na natin ang floor sa ating arena announcer na si JV. JV!
Once again, Marhay na Bangi Bicol Lancha. This is your day 35 of Ako Bicol Cup, Camarines Sur. Brought to you by Congressman Saligo at ang Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na kasurog pa. We welcome you once again inside the Sangay Sports Complex for the start of our quarterfinals and our last game of the night. We will be having Team Naga versus Team Sangay. For the starters, let's first start with Team Naga. For the point guard number 28, Joshua Villaflor. For the shooting guard number 22, Rufino Sablon III. For the small forward number 17, Jojo Asuel. For the power forward number 24, Julius Tiburcio. And the man at the center of Team Naga, number 26, Jamil Bulawan. Head coach, Mr. Nuki Sabio. And for the starters for Team Sangay, we have number 0, Trents Pilapil. Number 3, Feben Lumabi. Number 10, Albert Regalario. And number 17, Eugene Mariapre. And number 60, Dan Monsalve. Head coach, Mr. Enrique Pilapil. And officials for this ball game are Room Chief Erwin Magula, number 1, Christian Peñoas, and number 2, Dennis Mendoza. This is your Ako Bicol Cup, Camarines Sur, Atinto!
At once again, Diyos Maray nagabanggi mga kasurog. Ito na nga ang ating bigatin, tapatan ng Naga at ng home team na Sangay. With yours truly, Kapa Morgan and...
And ako pa rin ang inyong partner na si John Bachiller, bringing you Sangay versus Naga sa ating second game. Ayan na, Pilapil against Asuer. Pilapil fakes, fall away, short, pero nandun pa rin si Regalario. Pilapil, corner 3, kaboom! And that first basket is brought to ng mga taga-Sangay and Misibis Bay. And unang buslo napunta sa mga naka-violet ang Sangay. Sablaon misses the 3-point shot. Ayun na si Regalario streaking.
Magandang pasa yun from Fiben Lumabi.
And grabe yung bounce pass, partner. Talagang kitang-kita mo
Accurate
kung
na accurate.
very accurate. Very strong start on the part of Sangay.
Yes, indeed.
Ayan na si Sablaon. Ayan na, Tiburcio against Monsalve. Sablaon, may pick galing kay Tiburcio. Sablaon gives the ball to Tiburcio. Strip ni Regalario. Pero ang bola, mananatili kay Julius Tiburcio for 3. Kaboom!
Ayun, he knows that the clock is ticking, kaya itinira niya na, and resulting to a score. That's a 3-point shot, and
Binawi naman kaagad ng ating clutch player na si Eugene Malyapre after that 3-pointer na binigay ni Julius Tiburcio, and binawi kaagad ni Eugene with a short jumper.
Parang naalala ko yung kanyang 3-pointer to tie the score sa laban nila against Tinambak last Thursday.
And yun na nga, partner, Ken Pilapil is daring Asuer to take the jumper, and naisahan sa doon, and nakascore si Asuer ng 2 points galing sa magandang pasa na binigay ni Tiburcio, and then bumawi si Pilapil with the layup, and the score is 9-5 in favor of Sangay with 8 minutes and 12 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter.
Nagpaparamdam ka agad itong si Ken Pilapil for Sangay.
Ayan na si Bang Sablaon, swings the ball to Villaflor for 3, in and out, rebound by Julius Tiburcio. Asuwer with a short stop but misses the shot. Ayun na, Eugene gives the ball.
That's an open look from downstairs, pero Asuwer can't make it.
Ayan na, Pilapil, double team, Regalario. Short jumper, Mintes, pero nakuha niya ang bola. And ang bola mapupunta sa Team Naga.
Right, it's Naga's ball.
Yes, very intense at very exciting kaagad ang ating first quarter, partner.
Almost 3 minutes gone by at nakakalamang na po ang Sangay ng 4 na puntos.
Ayan na si Tiburcio, top of the key, gives the ball to Asuwer. Guarded by Lumabi. Gives the ball to Villaflor. Villaflor, Sablaon. Kicks that out to Asuwer against Pilapil. Short pass kay Tiburcio. Pero natawagan ng blocking foul si Dan Monsalve.
Magiging malaking factor ito si Dan Monsalve on the defensive end ng Team Sangay, dahil talagang when it comes to bigs, talagang nasa Naga ang ang pabor.
Ayun na nga, an interception, Jamil Bulawan against Dan Monsalve. Good defense on the part, but ayun, nakakuha ng garbage points si Julius Tiburcio.
So si Tiburcio ang kumakana din sa early goings dito sa ating ball game for Team Naga.
Ayan na, with a hook shot, si Eugene Malyapre. Mintis, what a defense displayed by Tiburcio over Eugene Malyapre. Ayan na, Villaflor, top of the key, 3, kaboom!
Oh, that's a clean look from the top of the key for Villaflor.
Ayan na si Pilapil, heavily guarded by Asuwer. May pick na binigay si Monsalve. Pilapil using the glass but misses the shot.
Oh, not this time for Ken Pilapil.
Ayan na, Asuwer rushing. Asuwer momentarily open, gives the ball to Bang Sablaon and drops it up to Tiburcio. Kaso nakakuha ng foul.
Itong si Sablaon.
Nakakuha ang foul kay Ken Pilapil, and Pilapil may his first foul.
Oo, first foul.
An early substitution on the part of Naga, partner. Binabas si Asuwer and pinasok ang scoring god ng Naga na si Jerome Almario.
Yan.
And again, announcing the presence si Jerome Almario taking that long 2 but misses the shot, and the ball will go to Team Sangay.
Gusto ka agad magparamdam nitong si Jerome Almario
Yes,
by trying to make that long 2-pointer.
ayan na. Lumabi, heavily guarded ni Villaflor. Lumabi with the right-handed layup, Mintes, pero nakuha ang bola ni Julius Tiburcio. Ayan na, Villaflor gives the ball to Almario. Challenged by Pilapil, blocked by Ken Pilapil. Good defense. Ayan na, Lumabi is ahead. Reverse shot, Mintes, nakuha ni Eugene Malyapre ang bola. Malyapre operating. He was bumped and scores for 2.
Nice move, squeezing his way sa ilalim para makakuha ng sunlight for that good shot.
Grabe yun, partner, a big man. Pero yung galaw niya pang guard. So talaga kudos to Eugene Malyapre. Ayan na.
Parang guard, parang ikaw.
Ay, naku po. Ayan na si Bang Sablaon with the floater for 2.
Ayan, kumanana. Itong isa sa mga scorer talaga ng Naga na si Bang Sablaon.
Ayan na si Eugene against 3 defenders. Grabe, yung interior defense na pinapakita ng Naga City. Ayan na si Monsalve again. Regalario, challenge by Bang Sablaon. And sorry miss on the part of Regalario. And
Pero mayroong foul. Kanino
He
kaya
was
tatawagan?
tingnan natin kung ano ang may hahatol. Kumbaga, baliktad. Natawagan ng foul si Julius Tiburcio. And that I guess nagulat ang Team Naga doon. But play must go on and bola mapupunta sa Sangay.
Pero sa ngayon, lumalamang na ang Naga ng 1 punto. Mayroong chance ang mga ang home team na lamang uli.
Yan.
Makabalik sa kanila yung
Yan na
lead.
si Pilapil attacking. Kicks it out to Regalario for 2 points. Long 2. Mintes yan. Nakakuha ang bola. Ayan na, Almario against Pilapil again. Challenge. Good defense again on the part of Ken Pilapil. Grabe, partner.
Tama. This Jerome Almario is deadly. Kaya talagang alam yun ay Ken Pilapil. Kaya talagang heavy yung kanyang defense.
Pilapil with the rainbow shot. Misses. Jamil Bulawan grabs the rebound. Sablaon flies and scores but misses the shot. Ayan na si Monsalve again. Grabs the rebound. Lumabi is rushing against Villaflor. What a pass kay Regalario.
Sayang.
Gandang pasa. Pero credit pa rin on the part of Villaflor dahil na-strip niya ng konti and napunta yung bola sa kamay ng mga taga
Kaya
Sangay.
last stats ni
Regalario.
Regalario.
With exactly 4 minutes and 20 seconds na nalalabi sa ating first quarter. Lamang pa rin ang Naga ng 1 point. Ayan na si Sablaon. Stolen by Lumabi. Ayan na, 3 against 3.
Tama ang
Ayan na si
desisyon.
Monsalve. Top of the key jumper. Short on that. Nakakuha ni Almario ang rebound. Ayan na, Almario against Pilapil with a crossover, with a spin, and a drop pass kay Jamil Bulawan for 2.
Muntik nang idagdag ni Jamil Bulawan. Ang last play na yon.
And
Ayan.
grabe.
Team Sangay.
Ceasefire kaagad ang itinawag ng kampo ng Sangay.
Ayan, partner, yung spin. Attracting the defense and the drop pass na muntik na. Isalpak. Ayan na, what a spin, partner.
Kung wala sa harapan si Dan Monsalve, it's a clear flash
Pero
para kay Jamil Bulawan.
Pero credit to Dan Monsalve for challenging that shot.
Tama.
Alam naman natin na meron na siyang isang foul. And he is very crucial or very vital dito sa Sangay kasi ang lone bigs lang na meron ang team Sangay si Monsalve and si Malyapre. Kaya very important yung mga fouls na bibitawan o makukumit ng mga bigs ng Sangay.
Ang problema nga lang itong si Dan Monsalve talagang hindi siya 100% kasi
Yes.
meron siyang iniindang sakit
Yes, oo.
sa kanyang I guess the right ankle.
Yes, meron siyang iniinda kanina. Sinabi niya sa akin during our pregame, lumapit siya. Nasabi niya medyo magapa. Pero but still, talaga yung puso na pinapakita ng isang Dan Monsalve dito sa larong ito.
Tama. And salute para dyan kay Dan Monsalve.
And na si Lumabi again against a new guy from Naga City. Si Lim pinasok na. Regalario gives the ball to number 27. Na si Cano pinasok, si Sam Cano. Ayan na, Villaflor again is rushing against 3 defenders. Mintes nakuha. Ayan na. Malyapre is all alone. And scores for 2. Akala ko partner, isasalpak na Eugene.
That's a baby dunk.
Yes, partner, tama ka dyan, partner. Medyo bumelo. And he scores for 2. And now, the lead of Naga City is 1 point na lang.
Oo. Pero nasa kanilang ball possession, Lim.
Ayan na, new guy ulit from Naga City, si Madridano. Kaso naagaw ni Lumabi ang bola. Nakuha ni Jansen Monsalve. Lumabi again, drops it up to Eugene.
Nice pass once
Eugene,
again.
naka-up.
Yun lang.
Nakaapak ang size 15 na paa ng aking kaibigan na si Eugene Malyapre. And
Hindi niya napansin yun.
yes, a turnover on the part of Sangay and the ball will go to Team Naga.
Maganda sana yung pasa ni Fiben Lumabi.
Ayan na, Villaflor fakes for 3. Almario with a long 3.
Short.
Irons it, rebound ni Villaflor. Challenge ng tira. Ayan na, Eugene again with the defensive rebound. Lumabi against Jerome Almario. Ayan na si Lumabi. Talaga gives the ball to Cano. Cano drops the ball to Regalario. With 13 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Lumabi for 3.
Short.
Ayan na ang Naga. 3 against 2.
Alexander
Lim attacks but there is an offense. Pero nakuha ni Lumabi. Ayan na. Regalario open for 2.
And that makes Sangay lead in this ball game. And timeout brought to you by Highlands.
And again, na-regain na ng Sangay ang kanilang lamang with 14 to 15 lamang na mga taga-Sangay. Eto partner, a very good size crowd sa ating Sangay Sports Complex. Maraming salamat sa suporta na binibigay nyo sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Siyempre, brought to you by Ako Bicol Party List and siyempre ang ating butihing congressman na si Congressman Saldico.
Siyempre, talagang expected na natin na talagang mapupuno itong Sangay Sports Complex dahil talagang napapalaban ang kanilang home team. And right now, hindi naman sila satisfied naman siguro talaga itong mga crowd natin because talagang sa early goings, talagang hindi nagpapaiwan itong Team Sangay. Kahit na sabihin na natin mas dominant talaga itong
Tama.
Team Naga. Pero ang katunayan, nakakalamang na sila ngayon ng isang puntos.
Yes, this is the brand of basketball na meron ng Ako Bicol Cup. Kumbaga, this is quality teams for our second round And syempre maraming salamat sa lahat na teams na nag-participate na wala sa ating second round talaga. Kudos to them, partner.
Yes, of course. Pero ito, yung ating bigatin, the top 10 teams naglalaban-laban. At yun na nga, tumana na doon si Jerome Almario.
And Butik gusto makanakaw ng Team Sangay, and that caused a turnover. Lim against Monsalve at the top of the key. Humihingi si Jerome Almario. Almario for 3. Kaboom! Back-to-back baskets on the part of Jerome Almario, partner.
And all of a sudden, apat na ang kalamangan ng Team Naga because of Jerome Almario.
Yes, partner. Kumbaga, that is the luxury of having a Jerome Almario talaga. Even though he is struggling sa first part ng first quarter. Ayan na si Eugene with the left hand. Layup Mintes, nakuha ni Cano. Cano gives the ball to Buela. A known shooter. Misses the shot and recovers his miss. And one. And nakakuha siya ng foul galing kay Fons Bichara.
Oo. Sumabit doon si Fons Bichara.
Na-notice mo, partner, kung gaano kalaki ang backcourt ng Sangay with the likes of Cano and Sibuela. Talagang these are perimeter players talaga maasahan when it comes sa labas ng court.
Pero mas matindi rin ang backcourt ng Naga.
Yes, very
with
speedy.
Lim, Jerome Almario, and
Ang ating kababayan from Albay na si Aureliano.
si Aureliano.
And the score is 18-19. Lamang pa rin ang Taga-Naga. With the 1 minute and 27 seconds remaining. Buela intercepts the pass pero nakuha pa rin ni Alexander Lim. Lim kicks it out to Jerome Almario for 3.
Another
Kaboom!
three-pointer from Jerome Almario. At ayan na nga, nakukuha na ang rhythm nitong si Jerome Almario. And warning na yan para sa kupunan ng Sangay.
Yes, partner, tama ka dyan. Kumbaga, Jerome is on a hot start. Ayan na ulit si Buela with a finger roll. Partner, bibihira kung makakita ng mga ganong tira ang finger roll. And
Parang Jokic ang galawan, ano?
yes, tama ka dyan. Ayan si Buela scoring a finger roll. Madridano swings the ball to again. Jerome Almario again is waxing hot. Kumbaga, draining threes after threes. And
So, Sangay needs to do something. They have to stop this guy
yes, tama ka dyan.
before it's too late.
They have to contain the hot streaking Jerome Almario. And na si Buela bumps Alexander Lim but misses the shot. Ayun na si Lim with the defensive rebound. With 20 seconds, he is rushing. Kicks it out to Aureliano for 3.
Yun
Kaboom!
Yun lang ang masakit para sa Sangay dahil kaliwaan ang tumitira ng tres.
Yes, it's raining 3 sa ating unang yugto, partner. Bigay sa atin ng Team Naga. Ayan na. Swings the ball. Buela. Open for 3 fakes. Buela naputukan ng end. That ends our first quarter with the score of 28-20. Grabe, partner.
Oo.
What an exciting first quarter.
What an intense ball game. It's not really that intense when it comes to physicality pero napaka-exciting panoorin dahil talagang maganda ang rotation ng bola for both teams. Yun nga lang, mas advantage talaga ang Team Naga with their shooters from in and out nagtitake effect with the likes of Jerome Almario and Aureliano, yung last na nakapukol ng tres mula naman sa left corner. At ayan, we are
Tama ka.
watching the game highlights,
Yes,
or
tama.
actually the quarters highlights.
Tama ka dyan, partner. It all started sa 3 points si Julius Tiburcio and the rest is history with the guards of Naga City draining threes after threes. Kumbaga, as of my count, meron ng 3 points, tatlong 3-pointers na pinakawalan si Jerome Almario.
Defensively, Sangay needs to double up or even triple their effort para mapigil. Kung hindi man nila kayang pigilin, at least ma-minimize nila yung mga contribution na ibibigay ng bawat team or team member nitong Naga. Kasi sa tingin ko, kahit sino naman ang ipasok mo dito sa Team Naga ay talagang kakana.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Talagang kakana kung sino ipapasok. Pero it's a good sign on the part of Sangay because yung scoring nila is evenly distributed.
Tama.
Kumbaga, wala lang sa isang tao. Kumbaga, it's an all team effort. Tingnan natin, come sa ating second quarter kung ano magiging adjustment. Yan na, Bichara over Buela. Bichara with the fake, stripped by Dan Monsalve. Pilapil waiting for his teammates. Ayan na si Pilapil, swings the ball to Lumabi. Lumabi fakes for 3, attacking. Lumabi, what a shot!
What?
And a courage to attack the bigs of Naga.
That's what we expect from Fiben Lumabi. Those
And Almario
spectacular
again.
moves.
Again, si Jerome Almario is not yet finished sa larong ito. When it comes to three-pointers, he has a 4 3-points sa larong ito.
And yes, actually hindi pa siya nagmi-miss sa 3-point line.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Ayan si Pilapil.
Oh,
And
what
one.
a lucky shot!
Tama ka dyan. Much to the delight of the fans ng mga taga-Sangay. That courage to attack Fons Bichara. And Fons Bichara did not like the call because sabi niya nakataas lang yung kamay.
Pero sabi naman ni Ken Lumabi, nakasaktan ako, yung sikop ko. Hinahawakan niya pa rin yung left ano niya.
Yan na nakita na ni Coach Nuki na Team Sangay is attacking as early as sa second quarter kaya nag-adjust na siya. Pinasok na nila ang kanilang bigs na si Jamil Bulawan to disrupt or to block the shots of the mga layup ng Sangay.
Tama. And si Almario yung leading scorer natin sa first quarter with 11 points para sa Team Naga. Samantalang tama ka, sabi mo equally distributed yung scoring sa banda naman ng Sangay. Malyapre with 6, Buela with 5, and Pilapil with 5.
Yan na yan. Kasi na si Pilapil looking for his teammates. Ayan na si Cano. And that is a miscommunication on the part of Team Sangay. Medyo nagdalawang isip si Cano and si Sangay kung sino magre-receive ng bola. And that caused a turnover on the part of Sangay.
And right now it's Alexander Lim, may tanga ng bola.
And partner, if you're free, pwede pa kayong pumunta. Kahit siguro nakatayo. I guess para ma-witness nyo ang magandang laro, Alexander Lim against Pilapil. Crosses over. And ayan na ulit. Ayan na ulit ang pesky at very defensive-oriented guard na si Lumabi with the steal.
They need more of that from Lumabi sa both ends of the floor, defense and offense. And ganun din, yung lahat ng kanyang mga teammates, sabi ko nga, dapat they need to double up. They need to, siguro, i-triple pa nilang effort nila. Pero ito, triple effort din ang ibibigay sa atin ni Miss Barbie Floriano. Miss Barbie, come in!
Magandang gabi muli, Coach John and Coach Morgan. Napakainit na laban ang binibigay sa atin ng Naga at Sangay. Unang basket, 3 agad mula kay Ken Pilapil of Sangay. At kahit aminado ang kanilang team na napakalakas ng players from Naga, ay di pa rin sila nagpapahuli sa performance. Man-to-man, ang pambungad na depensa ang pinakita ng bawat team. Pinakitaan din nila tayo ng isang fast-paced game, takbuhan at napakaliksing depensa na nagresulta sa isang close scoring match. However, bago matapos ang first quarter ay nagpaulan ng punto si Jerome Almario of Naga, causing further score na malayo na sa Team Sangay. Yun na muna ang latest. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat, Miss Barbie Floriano, sa iyong report.
And after that report talaga nakita natin na Team Sangay is now streaking and now has an opportunity na makalamang with that 3-point play ni Buela under Goldstab.
Tama, and nasa free throw line na siya, getting ready to complete the 3-point play opportunity.
And another adjustments on the part of Team Naga. Nakita niya na medyo, and that 3-point play is brought to you by Hotel St. Elise.
At saka sa coaching staff partner, talagang present ang lahat.
Yes, tama ka dyan.
Both teams.
They are now very busy talaga watching and observing these games. Talaga, dito talaga makikita kung sino mga experienced na coaches sa larong ito.
Tama, malaking factor na well-coached ang isang team para makapisil ng panalo. And that's what they need. Both teams needs those. And sa parte ni Buela, after that missing that 3-point play opportunity, na-foul siya. Kaya ito, mapupunta na naman ang bola sa mga taga-Naga.
And partner, we are now tied sa ating second quarter with 7 minutes and 29 seconds remaining na lalabi sa ating second quarter.
What an exciting ball game, partner.
Indeed, partner. Ayan na. Almario over the smaller Lumabi. And then, what a steal, partner. Grabe. Ang pinapakitang puso ng isang Lumabi over Jerome Almario.
Sabi ni Jerome Almario, pupostihan kita dahil advantage ako sa'yo, medyo malaki ako sa'yo, pero mas mabilis naman ako, sabi ni Fiben Lumabi.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Lumabi struggling to get the ball. Ayan ang Buela. Kaso nasapal ni Jamil Bulawan. Ayan na si Almario against Pilapil. Almario, what a defense is played. Mga taga-team Sangay. Grabe, ang bilis ng defensive stop nila.
Tama.
Ayan na sa Blaon, top of the key 3. Mintis.
Medyo matulis yung tirang yun Sablaon.
Alexander with 12 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Gives the ball to...
Ayan na naman si Lumabi.
Ayan na si Lu. Ayan na si Pilapil. Spins. Buela. Lumabi. Scores for 2!
Wala si Pilapil.
Yes, Pilapil scores for 2, partner. Sorry.
Grabe kasi yung excitement.
Yes,
Si Lumabi ang bilis kasi.
Tama ka dun, partner. And now, Team Sangay is up by 2 points and almost a steal galing kay Feben Lumabi. Grabe.
Grabe ang nagte-take effect itong anong tawag dyan? Fastness. Mayroon
Yes.
ibang term Quickness.
Yes.
Quickness.
Grabe.
Nitong
Yun
si,
ang mga kita natin kung gaano ni-recognize ng Team Sangay. Si Feben Lumabi
Pero inilabas muna siya ng
sa kanyang mga efforts. Ayan na, ay substitution na number 11 pinasok. Ayan na, Tiburcio against Monsalve. Tiburcio. Ayan na si Bulawan attacking. A sorry miss. Grabe yun, partner. Pilapil against Lim. Pilapil attacks. What a pass, partner!
What a play!
Number 27. Ayan na si Cano. And ilista mo na yon sa ating
Best plays of the week.
tama ka doon, partner. Ayan na, Lim spins with a floater. This is the shot. Monsalve grabs the rebound. Ayan si Pilapil. Steal by Lim. Ayan na Pilapil. Gets the rebound. Ayan na.
Almost, pero not quite for Alexander Lim.
Ayan na. Pilapil against Lim. Pilapil attacks. Behind the back again. Kaso hindi nakuha ni Buela yung bola. Villaflor was hacked by number 11 na si Camo. And ngayon, Camo.
Grabe din ang bilis nitong si Joshua Villaflor para sa Team Naga.
And now, number 11 guy, si James Camo is filling up the shoes of the streaking si Feben Lumabi. And ngayon, nakikita ko ulit sa scorer's table na sa substitution ulit. Kumbaga pinagpag lang.
Mukhang babalik ulit si
Yes.
Feben Lumabi.
Si Feben
Lumabi. And
Lumabi.
right now, nasa loob na din ulit si Eugene Malyapre. Hernan, grabbing
Yes.
the first rebound sa kanyang pagbabalik.
Yan na si Cano. Gives the ball to Pilapil. Cano is open against Bang Sablaon. Gives the ball to Buela. Buela. Fall away jumper for 2. Grabe, partner.
Napaganda ng shooting touch nitong si Buela.
Tama ka dyan, partner. I've covered him several games talaga. He has a talent pagdating sa kanyang outside shooting. Yan na Sablaon against the much taller Camo. Sablaon. Challenged by Buela. Misses the shot. Rebound ni Cano ang bola.
Maganda yung boxing out ni Cano, not allowing Tiburcio na makakuha ng magandang pwesto for the rebound.
Ayan na. Pilapil again against Lim. Pilapil attacks. Squeezing. Rebound ni Alexander Lim. Kaso
Good hustle.
nakakuha ni Jamil Bulawan ng bola. Gives the ball to Tiburcio. Tiburcio attacks. Misses the left layup. Ayan na. Malyapre. What a steal sana. Ayan na. A steal is completed by
Merong
Alexander
foul.
Lim. And Camo was called and caught pushing si Alexander Lim. And he was called for a personal foul.
Ayan, James Camo, fouling. Babalik si Feben Lumabi.
Papalitan niya si Camo.
And so,
Quality
as,
minutes.
and so as Regalario,
Yes, kumbaga.
inilabas muna si Pilapil at saka si Camo for Team Sangay.
Yan, partner, kita mo ang chess match ng both coaches talaga. Adjustment after adjustment after adjustments ang binibigay nila sa kanilang mga teams.
Ayan. So, nakakalamang po sa ngayon ang kupunan ng Sangay, ang home team kontra sa powerhouse team na Naga.
And partner, I've noticed na nasa bench si Owe Mendenilla wearing his street clothes. Tingnan natin, alamin natin kung ano ang nangyari because hindi siya nakapaglaro sa ating unang laro ng Naga City sa second round.
Oo, malaking factor din sana kung nandyan si Uwe Mendenilla
Yes, tama ka dyan.
na naglalaro sa kanilang unang laban dito sa quarterfinals. Siguro, we will know kung ano ang reason kung bakit nasa bench lang siya at naka-street clothes mamaya sa pagbabalik ni Miss Barbie Floriano. But right now, punong-puno po tayo dito sa Sangay Covered Court or Sports Complex para ma-witness ang unang tapatan ng mga teams na to dito sa ating quarterfinals. Tinatawag natin po itong mga teams na to na bigatin dahil sila yung top 10 teams na nakapasok sa ating quarterfinals bago ang semifinals natin.
Yes, and as Jamil Bulawan over Eugene Malyapre.
14 seconds.
Ayon partner, galing sa ating isa sa ating mga technical committees, tinanong nila kung bakit hindi available si Uwe Mindanilla, who is nursing pala a ankle injury, siguro suffered during their practice.
Oh, so that's why.
And ayan na, the lead of Team Sangay is cut down to 3. Ayan na, si Lumabi against Bang Sablaon. Lumabi swings the ball to Regalario. Regalario, Eugene Malyapre looking for his teammates. Malyapre was
Malamya yung
blocked.
tira.
Pero yun na nga, naputukan ng 24-second shot clock ang Team Sangay.
So mapupunta ngayon ang bola sa mga taga-Naga
Shot clock violation.
dahil hindi man lang sumabit o not even close to the rim yung tirang last na tira ni Eugene Malyapre. And I think that was partially blocked.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Ayan na si Buela. Natawagan ng foul over Julius Tiburcio, tinulak niya. Pero hindi niya nagustuhan yung unang tawag. Pero in-explain sa kanya ng ating magigiting na referees, talaga naintindihan niya na kung bakit siya tinawagan ng foul.
And ayon sa ating arena announcer na si JB, that's Buela's second personal foul.
And I guess Team Sangay is now in the penalty. And Julius Tiburcio will troop to the line for 2.
Tiburcio. Shooting 2.
Ayan na Tiburcio for his first free throw.
And that one is good.
Yun na nga partner, grabe partner, kung tinitingnan ko talaga yung crowd na nandito sa ating venue, talagang maraming salamat sa Sangay for sa pagpunta sa ating venue.
And talagang I was really expecting this to happen na talagang hindi rin mababasta-basta ang team ng Sangay. They will really compete and who knows, baka sila pang makasungkit ng unang panalo sa kanilang unang laban sa quarterfinals.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Kumbaga, mga teams natin dito,
Lumabi talagang sineryoso na ang depensa ng mga taga-Naga. Tiburcio and Lim against the smallest guy dito sa floor na si Ben Lumabi.
yan, tama ka dyan partner. This a small guy with a big heart talaga partner.
Tama,
Kung si
tama.
Lumabi talaga, wala siyang inuurungan and wala rin siya kinakatatakutan. Despite his height talaga, nakikipagkita mo partner, kalaban niya sa sahig, si Julius Tiburcio.
Oo, not giving up on that play.
And
Talagang
again,
hindi niya binitawan yung
tama
bola.
ka partner, and that dun sa sahig partner, 3 white shirts over, siya lang na naka-violet jerseys. Kumbaga,
Oo.
that is for Ben Lumabi for you.
Lumabi, lumalaban.
Oo, yan ang partner ang sinasabi ko. Diyan tayo magagaling partner. And again, if you're free, pwede pa kayo pumunta rito. Baka pwede kayo makasingit sa unti-unti na bakante sa ating venue. And if not naman, meron tayong mga
Oo,
social media.
sabi naman nila, bakit pa naman kami pupunta dyan? Komportable naman kami dito sa bahay.
Yun ang sinasabi natin.
Watching on a big screen live dahil naka FB live kami sa Representative Saldico at saka sa Ako Bicol Online TV as well as Ako Bicol Party List Facebook page.
And sa YouTube channel, pwede pa rin mapanood. And syempre, yung meron tayong bago yung TikTok na pinapanood ng ating technical committee na si Paolo Viñas, lagi nanonood ng TikTok.
TikToker pala yan si Coach.
Oo, magandang gabi. Ayun na si Buela. Swings the ball to Lumabi for 3. In and out. Rebound na Regalario. Tip in. Nakuha. Grabe partner. And sayang partner. Medyo nag-shuffle ang paa ni
Joshua Camo.
James Camo. And committed a turnover. And now, lamang pa rin ang Team Sangay with 1 point with 2 minutes and 49 seconds na lalabi sa ating first half. Jamil Bulawan with a good pass. Ayun na naman partner. Ando naman si Ben Milabi to disrupt the offense of Team Naga.
13 seconds.
Talagang Ben Lumabi is doing wonders for Team Sangay.
Tama ka dyan partner.
Napakalaking factor yung kanyang hustle. Both ends of the floor.
Ayan na sa Blaon. Lobs it up to Jamil Bulawan.
10 seconds.
Ayan na, Cam Villaflor. What a crossover ni Villaflor. And
Pero nasa unahan niya doon si Camo.
natawagan
Foul number 11.
ng foul
James Camo.
si Camo
Third personal
on
foul.
that sequence. And ayan na si Ken Pilapil.
Papasok.
Papalitan si
James Camo.
James Camo. Good quality minutes on the part of James Camo.
Tama,
Talaga,
tama.
napagpahinga niya si Ferben kanina with kakaunting minuto. And that is a big factor para sa Team Sangay. Ayan na si
I was thinking actually, partner, na dalawang quick players na nasa backcourt ng Sangay ang gustong ma-impose nitong mga coaches nila. Pero dahil sa na-foul trouble na itong si Camo, ay inilabas na muna at ibinalik si Ken Pilapil.
Tama ka dyan, partner. And nag-adjust din ang coaches ng Team Naga, putting up 3 streaky guards with the likes of Lim. Ayan na si Eugene Malyapre.
Eugene Malreape hindi pa masyado nagbibigay ng impact para sa kanyang kupunan.
Yes, partner, tama
And
ka
who
dyan.
knows?
Kasi partner, kita mo naman yung front court ng Team Naga with the likes of Tiburcio and Bulawan. Talagang pinahihirapan ang isang Eugene Malyapre. Ayan na. Malyapre against Jamil Bulawan gives the ball to Monsalve. Monsalve with the spin. And he was blocked by Jamil Bulawan. Yun na nga. Villaflor against Malyapre. For 3, kaboom! Yun na nga, good defense on the part of Eugene, but better offense on the part of Villaflor. Ayan na, Regalario.
Balik sa kalamangan ng Naga.
Ayan na. And last touch mapupunta sa Team Sangay.
Oo, so Naga now leading by 4 points, 41-37 at 1 minute and 55 seconds remaining dito sa ating pangalawang yugto.
Ayan na si Pilapil against Bang Sablaon. Pilapil for 3.
Short.
Nakuha ni Regalario. Swings the ball to Lumabi against Villaflor. Lumabi attacks, hesitates. What a shot. Kaso mintis. Rebound by Jamil Bulawan. Ayan na. 3 against 1. Villaflor. Fry scores for 2. Grabe, partner.
What a finish for Villaflor.
Grabe. Yung fast-breaking guards ng Team Naga talaga. Super bibilis. And ayan na. What a bad pass on the part of Pilapil.
Masyadong malayo.
Malayo.
Para kay Eugene Malyapre to get that ball.
And another
Kasi-
turnover on the part of Sangay.
Posting siya
Yes, tama ka dyan,
dito
partner.
kay Julius Tiburcio.
And I guess kanina medyo advantage yung position niya. Medyo mali lang na ibigay pasa na Pilapil. Ayan na si Villaflor again against Pilapil. Villaflor swings the ball to Bang Sablaon. Heavily guarded by Regalario. Sablaon. Kinukulit ni Regalario. Almario against Lumabi. May pick galing kay Jamil. And
Pero offensive foul.
Jamil Bulawan was called for a moving pick. And Jamil Bulawan galit sa kanya sa tawag. Dahil
Di
sa
nagustuhan yung tawag ni Ref Mapula.
yes, yun na nga sinasabi na hinawakan daw ang kanyang jersey kaya daw napunta siya sa side ni Ken Pilapil. Yan na tayo, nandito na tayo sa ating 1 minute sa ating first half. Lamang na ang Naga City with 6 points. Regalario gives the ball to Lumabi.
14 seconds to shoot.
May pick galing kay Malyapre. Lumabi,
10 seconds.
gandang
Good
pasa
move.
sana.
Oo.
And 3 seconds on the part of Sangay.
Gandang galawan itong si Fiben Lumabi.
Ayun na nga.
He could have na-trick niya actually yung defense. Kaya lang Malyapre wasn't too ready to receive that pass. Creating a turnover.
Yan again, Almario against Lumabi. Almario open for 3. Misses the shot. Pilapil. Lumabi na una, di niya nakita.
Buti
Ayan na
nandun si Fiben Lumabi.
Yes, Lumabi again.
That pass was intended for Regalario.
Yes, ayan na si Regulario.
14 seconds.
Ayan na si Lumabi. Pilapil against Villaflor. May pick galing kay Monsalve. Pilapil. Stolen by Bang Sablaon. Sablaon flies and scores for 2.
Ayan, they need a timeout, I guess. Meron pa bang timeout ang
Ayan na.
Sangay?
Pilapil, corner 3, fakes. Pilapil for 3. No good. Rebound, nakuha ni Bang Sablaon. Outlets to Almario. Almario, buzzer beating 3. No good. And that ends our first half with the score of 45-37. Lamang ang Naga City.
And that's what most people expected na talagang aalagwa itong Naga over Sangay. And right now, paunti-unti na ngang umaangat ang kalamangan itong Naga. Kaya pa bang maibalik ng Sangay ang kanilang lead sa game na to? Well, yan ang ating alamin sa pagbabalik natin sa ating second half. Alright,
And magbabalik po kami, partner, sa
Oo.
ating second half. Maraming
yan lamang po kayo.
Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Dako laon ang pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may ikamalilinwan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Tucked away in the province of Albay, known for its perfectly shaped Mayon volcano, Misibis Bay Resort, a locally owned 5-hectare private island resort. The resort is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. This tropical destination is where guests can either choose to relax under the palm trees or have an adventure under the sun. It features modern and luxurious rooms and villas, recreational facilities, and sophisticated services. Come and experience Mississippi's Bay Resort, your tropical island getaway.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Tayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arog po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Mataanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang dito sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon. Mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa.
Start of the third quarter.
It's an 8-point lead para sa koponan ng Dayo na Naga dito sa Sangay Sports Complex, with of course the host team na struggling sa end part ng ating first quarter, pero who knows, matapos ang unang quarter, pangalawang quarter or first half ay nag-huddle sila syempre, nag-regroup, and I know na mayroon silang mga plano para sa second half.
And speaking of leading scorer sa ating first half, para sa Team Sangay, si Buela with 11 points and 2 rebounds coming off the bench. And syempre si Pilapil with 10 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists, and 1 steal.
Matapos ang first quarter, nakasungkit ng 11 points si Almario at nadagdagan ng 3 sa second quarter. Kaya meron siyang 14 points, 1 rebound, and 1 assist.
Yes, Almario.
That's for Naga.
Almario leading the charge for Naga. And now we are sa ating third quarter. Completing Sangay is Lumabi, Buela, Malyapre, Pilapil, and Monsalve. And on the part of Team Naga, Lim, Sablaon, Tiburcio, Bulawan, and Almario. Ayan na.
Ayan, overshooting ito
Almario.
si Pilapil.
Muntik na maagawan ni Buela. Ayan na si Sablaon. Sablaon, good defense on the part of Jansen Monsalve. Ayan na si Pilapil. Against. Ayan na, Lumabi. Short jumper.
Muntik lang.
Yes.
Hindi pumasok yun.
Medyo na-stuck ako doon ng mga 2 seconds. Yun na nga.
maganda siguro yung pektos ng bola. Kaya
With that jumper, nagaling kay Lumabi and si Bulawan against Monsalve. Bulawan with a drop step, kaso wala. Ayan na si Pilapil serving the floor. Pilapil against Alexander Lim. Pilapil
muntik na maagawan doon.
recovers the ball, crossover with the lefty layup. Kaso, hindi nakuha ng mga taga-Sangay, and good effort on the part of Bang Sablaon saving that ball and makuha ang possession. Grabe partner, yung dive na pinakita ng Bang Sablaon.
Bang Sablaon, isa sa mga spectators natin, buti naman di nasaktan.
Buti na lang.
Nakatawa pa sila.
Yes.
Dahil tumama itong si Bang Sablaon sa mga spectators natin dito sa right side ng court.
And tama ka dyan. Good thing is wala talagang nasaktan. Hindi gano'ng kaseryoso yung pagbagsak ni Bang Sablaon. And ayan na, Julius Tiburcio is at the line making his first free throw. And syempre partner talaga, this Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur is brought to you by
Congressman Saldico.
Yes. And Ako Bicol Party List, katabang na, kasurog pa. And ayan, Tiburcio with the second free throw. Misses the second one. And ayan na, Monsalve again with the rebound. Ayan na si Lumabi. Signaling play number 5. Ayan na, Buela swings the ball to Pilapil against Tiburcio. Gives the ball to Eugene Malyapre. Malyapre swings the ball to Lumabi. Fakes, Lumabi hesitates. And blocked by Jamil Bulawan.
Yun lang, talagang may malaking mama na nasa unahan.
Ayan na, Sablaon is all alone for 2.
At ayan, meron ng 9-point lead ang Naga.
And this is not a good sign on the part of Sangay talaga.
Almost 2 minutes gone by sa ating third quarter.
And pati yung mga 50-50 balls talaga. Ayan, Buela attacking. Buela was hacked by number 22 na si Bang Sablaon.
And I guess he will be tripping to the line for 2 free throws. And that's for Buela.
Yes, nakikita mo partner si Monsalve instructing Lumabi because he wants Team Sangay to be focused and controlled sa larong ito. And Buela misses the first one. Kumbaga, very unlikely yung pagmintis ng Buela sa free throw line because he is a good free throw shooter.
Tama. So, I'm sure hindi na siya magmimintis sa pangalawang tira niya. But we will see.
Ayan na si Buela with the second free throw. Again, the score is 39-48 in favor of Naga City Casireños with 8 minutes. And ayan again, Jamil Bulawan with a rejection. Lumabi fakes. Buela open for 3. In and out. Rebound ni Eugene Malyapre and scores for 2.
They need more scoring from this big man of Sangay na si Eugene Malyapre.
And credit to Monsalve for keeping the ball alive. Ayan na si Jamil Bulawan with the offensive rebound. Kaso mintes.
That's the luxury of having Jamil Bulawan who stands about 6'5", and napaka-intimidating niya sa defense at sa offense. Ganon din, talagang mahihirapan kang i-block ang kanyang tira because of his height and his size.
Tama ka dyan partner. Natawagan si Monsalve ng kanyang third personal foul. Grabe partner. This is very crucial on the part of Dan Monsalve. And Jamil Bulawan makes his first free throw. And a substitution, a new guy. Dalawang mama pinasok sa Team Sangay. Number 1 na si Jeric Asya and si number 2 na si John Malinaw. Adding firepower para sa Team Sangay.
Unang saltan itong si Asya sa game natin ito. So, we will see kung makaka-adjust naman kaagad siya.
Ayan na.
That's a good
Eugene
shot.
with a follow away. A much needed score on the part of Sangay kasi talagang lumulobo na at medyo lumalaki ang kalamangan ng Team Naga.
Oo. Bibihira si Malyapre na makatira sa kanyang territory, which is the painted area. Kaya tumitira siya ngayon sa mga mid-range shots.
Yes, partner, if you notice talaga, medyo maliit ang lineup na pinasok ng Team Sangay right now. Number 2, si Malinaw is guarding Jamil Bulawan. Very disadvantage on the part of Sangay. Yan na si Lim. Kicks it out to Jerome Almario. Almario, squeeze in. Wala. Na-rebound ni Jamil. Jamil Bulawan against Eugene Malyapre. Drop step.
Pakagandang move yun ni
For
Jamil
2.
Bulawan.
Grabe, very patient.
Very patient.
Ang
Tama.
opensa na pinakita ni Jamil Bulawan on that part.
Hindi niya minadali yung kanyang tira. Talagang hinanap niya yung tamang angulo para makatira ng mas komportable. Even though with the defense na nandun sa harap niya, si Eugene Malyapre.
And then a turnover on the part of Ken Pilapil. Ayan na si Almario against Lumabi. Almario, nahihirapan kay Lumabi. Almario, pull up, no good. Jamil Bulawan with the offensive rebound. Challenged by 2 violet shirts. Ayan na, Almario again. Almario, drop pass. Kaso nandun si Asya to deflect that pass.
Tama. But the ball will remain with Team Naga.
With 9 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock.
Tama, 9 seconds. And are they aware of that?
Yes.
Titingnan natin.
I guess, dumping the ball to Jamil Bulawan with drop step again. And natawagan ng traveling infraction si Jamil Bulawan.
This time, he traveled. Pero maganda yung footwork na pinapakita nitong si Jamil Bulawan and the patience na meron siya in trying to score underneath the basket.
And again, Lumabi may pick galing kay Eugene. Lumabi gives the ball, swings the ball. Kaso ando yung mga pesky guards. Sablaon against Lumabi. Sablaon scores for 2.
Good finish. Good defense on the part of Sablaon and good finish.
Yan nga, partner, the score is 43-54. Medyo umaalagwa na ang Team Naga with 5 minutes and 47 seconds remaining sa ating laro. Pilapil swings the ball. Asya attacks. Asya drops it off to Malinaw but misses the shot. Tiburcio grabs the defensive rebound.
Sayang yun. That's a good opportunity sana.
Sablaon using the glass
score.
but misses the shot. Malinaw with the rebound. Ayan na si Pilapil. Directing traffic. May pick na binigay. Pilapil was hacked by number 22 na si Bang Sablaon.
Yung defense, dalawa, sina Bang Sablaon and Alexander Lim. At ang natawagan ng foul ay itong si Bang Sablaon. That's his second personal foul.
Yes, meron tayong substitution on the part of Team Naga. Si Madridano pinasok, pinalitan si Jamil Bulawan. Ayan na, Lumabi kicks it out. Lumabi, pull up jumper. No good. Rebound by Eugene Malyapre. And challenged by 2 white shirts, Mintes. Almario grabs the defensive rebound. Binigay kay Madridano to Julius Tiburcio for 2. Grabe, good 2-man game on the part of Naga City. Madridano gives the ball to his open teammate na si Tiburcio.
Napakaganda yung composure ni Julius Tiburcio making that layup. Hindi siya nanggigil. Easy yung 2-pointer na yun para sa kanya.
Yan na. Pilapil against Almario. Pilapil squeeze in using the glass for 2.
Nice shot for Pilapil.
Yan na. The score is 45-56. Lamang ng 11 point ang mga nakaputi. Ayan na, Lim gives the ball to Bang Sablaon. Open for 3. Kaboom!
And yes, why not? Sabi ni Bang.
And medyo na nahimik din si Bang Sablaon during our first half. Ngayon, tinitingnan niya kung sinisize niya ang depensa ng kalaban. Tinitingnan kung paano siya makakascore.
And that's a good attempt for him dahil magdadagdag yun ng confidence on his part.
Ayan na, Malyapre
take those shots.
misses the rainbow shot. And that was challenged by Sam Madridano. Kumbaga, alam na nila na Eugene has a outside shot. Kaya talagang kino-cover nila or china-challenge sila ang mga tira na pinupukol ni Eugene Malyapre.
And alam nila, natitira talaga si Malyapre sa labas dahil hirap na hirap din nga na makasungkit ng mga puntos dito sa shaded area.
And yes, grabe partner, nakakataba ng puso ang mga pumunta dito sa ating Sangay Sports Complex talaga to support syempre ang kanilang home team. And syempre, to witness din the talents na binibigay ng mga taga-Team Naga.
Tama.
And with that partner, batiin ko ang aking singit ko lang partner, batiin ko ang aking mga anak na si Juan Carlos and Franco Miguel. Good evening sa inyo mga anak.
Mukhang lagi silang nanonood
Yes, oo.
Basta ikaw ay nandito
Oo, sinabi nila magagalit at magagalit pag hindi binati. Kaya ayun na nga. And we are back sa ating laro. The score is 45-59 in favor of Naga City Casereños.
And right now, back to the ball game tayo at 4 minutes and 2 seconds sa ating third quarter. Nakakalabang po ang Naga, 59-45. So it's a 14-point lead pero nasa mga taga-Sangay ngayon ang bola with Lumabi.
Kung napapansin mo partner, both coaches hindi umuupo sa kanilang mga benches talaga. They are very on hand pagdating sa coaching ng mga players nila. Ayan na si Buela beating the buzzer. And that 3-point shot is atid sa atin ng Hotel Venecia. And ayan na, a new guy from Naga City, si Aureliano. Inserted in by Coach Nuki Sabio. Ayan na, Tiburcio.
Short
medium
yung
range
tirang
jumper,
yun.
Mentes. Lumabi grabs the rebound. Ayan na si Lumabi against Almario. Lumabi. Spence, kaso, muntik na maagaw and naagaw. Ayan na Almario against Buela. Almario, what a defense displayed on the part of Buela. Grabe, ang haba ng mga galamay, partner.
Tama. Ginantihan niya yung kanyang kakampi na si Lumabi after the ball was stolen from him.
Ayan na, Malyapre. Drops it up to Buela using the glass for two. Grabe. Good two-man game kay Eugene and ngayon si Buela.
At maganda yung depensa ni Buela, maganda rin yung opensa.
And that shot by Buela is cutted the lead of Team Naga to just 9 points.
Tama.
Ayan na, Almario, corner 3 against Lumabi. Kaboom!
Nothing but net.
Grabe. Grabe partner talaga. Binibitawan ni Eugene ang mga 3 points when it matters most. Ayan na, Buela again. Gaganti sa kanyang 3 points. Mintes na rebound ni Camo.
Timing na timing
Yes,
naman doon
pa.
si Sam Camo na
Yes.
nasa halos doon sa binagsakan ng bola.
Tama
After
ka.
that miss by Buela.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Aureliano. Kumat, hindi nakita ni Lem. Ayan na si Tiburcio. Top of the key, binigyan ng pick. Lem, attacking Eugene Malyapre. And he was fouled. Grabe, partner, ang bilis ng isang Alexander Lim
Tama,
talaga.
tama. Oo.
Attacking strong against Eugene Malyapre.
Eugene Malyapre.
Grabe yung
First personal foul.
advantage talaga nitong koponan ng Naga pagdating sa backcourt dahil hindi naman natin minimenos siyempre sina Piben Pilapil and the rest of the guards ng Sangay, pero mas malalaki kasi yung guards ng Naga.
Yes,
at
tama.
same, halos di magkakalayo sa pagdating sa bilis.
And partner, grabe, in-announce ng ating arena announcer na Eugene Malyapre commits his first foul pa lang, partner. Third quarter na tayo.
Masyado.
Kumbaga, grabing defense ang pinapakita ni Eugene over the bigs of Naga City.
Tama. And ayun, ito na. Sa mga taga-Sangay uli ang bola.
Ayan na, with 2 minutes and 9 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. 52-64 in favor of Naga City. Lumabi against Aureliano. Lumabi for 3. Iron set. Ayan na sa Buela again with the offensive rebound and using the glass for 2.
Timing din yung posisyon ni Buela.
Tama ka dyan,
After
partner.
the miss of Pilapil, Lumabi, rather.
Ayan na, Lim gives the ball to Aureliano against Cano. Aureliano fakes. Aureliano using the glass but misses the shot. Ayan na si Cano with defensive rebound. Gives the ball to Eugene Malyapre. Ayan na si Lumabi. Lumabi gives the ball to Cano. Cano, stretch. Blocked by Sam Madredano. Ang gandang sapal yun, partner.
Tama, timing na timing.
Grabe. In-expect natin na mahaba na si Cano but there is Sam Madredano blocking the shot of Cano.
Fully extended din yung arm nitong si Madridano to block the shot.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And after that block shot nakuha ni Fons Bichara yung defensive rebound and he was fouled. And Sangay is now in the penalty situation kaya si Fons Bichara will troop to the line for 2. And Fons Bichara makes the first one.
Yes. 54-65 score natin. 1:25 to go.
Partner, hindi pa rin makaalagwa o makalayo ang Team Naga over Sangay talaga.
Hindi papayag ang Sangay. Hindi basta-basta.
And Fons Bichara misses the second one. And that rebound is a good challenge on the part of Sam Madridano, causing Dan Monsalve to lose the ball sa kanyang rebound.
Tama. Maganda yung hustle ni Madridano. And it will be Naga's ball. It will be Alexander Lim who will be inbounding. Papunta kay Madridano.
Yan na. Aureliano against Regalario. Aureliano squeeze in and Regalario committed a foul. And again, Sangay is now in the penalty situation kaya mapupunta sila sa ating charity stripe.
Yan ang masakit on the part of Sangay dahil nasa penalty na sila. So, ibig sabihin na every time na mapafoul itong mga taga-Naga, they will trip to the line.
Yes, ayan na si Aureliano makes the first one. A product of Daraga National High School defenders, Albay. And
but is he Daraga native?
I guess hindi. He is a product native of Pulangi Albay and now playing for Ateneo Golden Knights under Coach Nuki Sabio. Ayan na, another product of Daraga National High School is Lumabi,
tama,
who is anchoring Team Sangay right now. Ayan na si Monsalve, momentarily open, di nakita. Ayan na Lumabi, fakes against Aureliano. Lumabi with 4 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Pilapil, emergency shot, 3 points. Mentes, nakuha ni Lumabi ang bola. Floater, misses again. Sam Madridano collects the rebound. Gives the ball to Aureliano. Behind the back to Sam Madridano. Blocked by Cano. Yun na nga, Alexander Lim grabs the rebound. Kaso Mentes. And Lim secures the rebound again. And waiting for his teammates.
Securing for the possession.
10 seconds.
Ayan na, Villaflor. Double team. Lim, fake spins, gives the ball to Madridano. Over Jansen Monsalve. And he was caught dancing in the wrong song. And the ball will go to Team Sangay with 17 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter.
Dancing with the wrong song and wrong shoes.
And si Pilapil, wasting clock. Ayan na, may pick galing kay Monsalve. Pilapil swings the ball to Regalario. Lumabi. Pilapil.
3-point something. They need to shoot.
Lumabi at the buzzer.
Almost. Pero
but
hindi
not
tama.
quite.
Not
Yes.
quite.
And that ends our third quarter with a score of 54-66 in favor of Naga City Casereños.
Yan. So that ends our third quarter. What a ball game we're having here dito po sa Sangay Sports Complex. Ang ating pangalawang matchup sa ating first day ng ating Bigaten quarterfinals. Dito po sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur, hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na kasurog pa.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Kumbaga, kung tayo ay nasa isang contest, ibibigay ko ang third quarter sa mga taga-Team Naga.
Tama. And kung magtutuloy-tuloy ito, siguradong masusungkit nila ang unang panalo dito sa ating quarterfinals against the home team na hopeful na siyempre maipanalo ito sa harap ng kanilang mga supporters dito sa Sangay.
And siyempre, hindi natin pwedeng hindi tawaran ang presensya ng mga taga-Sangay kasi lumalaban sila representing their municipality. And ayan na nga, naririnig natin ang ating courtside announcer na this is our fourth and final quarter of the game.
Tama. So this is winning time. Is it for Naga or is it still for Sangay?
Ito na, ang sinasabi natin fourth quarter talaga. Kumbaga bakbakan. And a Lim inbounding, completing Sangay is Eugene Malyapre, Dan Monsalve, Lumabi, Cano, and Pilapil. And for the Naga City, Sablaon, Lim, Bulawan, Tiburcio, and Villaflor. Ayan na. Sablaon, challenged by Eugene Malyapre, misses the shot. Bulawan with a no-look pass kay Tiburcio. And he He loses the ball. 10 seconds sa shot clock. Villaflor, corner 3 against Eugene. Misses the shot. And what a rebound ni Julius Tiburcio. Over the outstretched arms of Dan Monsalve talaga.
Tama.
That is Julius Tiburcio for you, partner.
Hindi siya talaga na-intimidate sa presence ng much taller na si Dan Monsalve.
And para sa ating mga leading scorers, para sa Team Sangay, si Abuelo with 18 points, Pilapil 12 points, and Malyapre with 10 points on the Naga City side.
Now, Almario still leads with 17 points, 2 rebounds, and 1 assist.
Grabe, partner, ang pinapakita ng laro ng isang Jerome Almario. And after that sequence, nakakuha ng 3-point play opportunity si Pilapil. And that 3-point play is brought to you by Misibis Bay, Cagraray Islands. But misses the free throw, bonus free throw.
And gets the and Tiburcio gets the rebound.
And ayan na, Lumabi, muntik na maagaw ang pasa kay Villaflor. Bulawan against Monsalve, kicks it out to Sablaon for 3. In and out, rebound ni Pilapil. Pilapil gives the ball to Lumabi against Alexander Lim and scores for 2!
At may pa-end one pa.
Tama ka dun, partner. Much to the delight of the fans ng Sangay talaga. Kita mo kung gaano talaga. Ayan, partner. After that outlet pass, the Euro step, the hoop and the harm, ika nga.
And kinausap niya doon, parang si Jerome Almario, kinausap niya na sa bench ng Naga.
Oo. Kumbaga,
kanina pa yan nag-aasar.
Oo, talaga magkakaibigan naman yan on and off the court. And syempre dito, katunggali nila sa larong ito. Yan na si Lumabi, complete sa 3-point play. And decreasing the lead to just 9 points.
9 points.
Ayan na si Lim, gives the ball to Villaflor. Bulawan against Monsalve. Sizing the defense. Bulawan kicks it out. Villaflor open for 3. No good. Rebound by Alexander Lim. And yun na nga, muntik na maagaw. Grabe, partner.
Maagaw na naman itong si Piben mula Lumabi sa kamay ni Alexander Lim ang bola. Pero na out of bounds.
Ayan na si Tiburcio at top of the key against Eugene Malyapre. Bulawan. Short jumper, misses the shot.
Magandang tira sana yon. Maganda yung bitiw ni Bulawan. Hindi na pumasok.
Malyapre was intercepted nung pasa ni Villaflor. Ayan na si Lim against Monsalve. And was fouled, I guess, ni Dan Monsalve. Sayang, good intention on the part of Lumabi. Pilapil giving the ball to Eugene, but there is Villaflor para intercept ang pasa ngayon.
Foul number 60, Dan Monsalve. 4 personal foul. First team foul.
That's a warning for exclusion.
Yes, tama ka dyan. It's a bad sign ng Team Sangay kasi talagang si Monsalve na lang ang tanging bumabantay sa big man na si Jamil Bulawan. And as we take a look, Alexander Lim makes the first free throw. And again, pwede kayong manood pa sa ating mga live streaming at sa Facebook page, YouTube channel, meron tayo. And ayan na, Kano gives the defensive rebound. Ayan si Lumabi, directing traffic. Lumabi gives the ball to Pilapil.
14 seconds to shoot.
With 14 seconds na nalalabi sa kanilang shot clock. Pilapil open for 3.
Wala, short yung
Wala.
tira.
Ayan na, Villaflor again is rushing. Villaflor flies and scores for 2.
Joshua Villaflor.
Ayan na nga, Malyapre, top of the key, waiting for his teammates. Eugene attacking. Ayan na si Kano, gives the ball to Eugene, kicks it out to Lumabi. Lumabi against Sablaon, 10 seconds sa shot clock. Kano, short jumper. Mintes, but there is Eugene Malyapre securing those offensive rebound and scoring 2 points.
Yeah, putting it back for his team. Good job on the part of Eugene Monsalve.
Malyapre,
Malyapre rather, na nandun siya sa tamang lugar.
Yun na nga, a turnover. Pilapil is ahead against Alexander Lim. Pilapil securing a 2 points. And this is just a 8-point lead, partner, with 6 minutes.
That one was brought to you by Hotel St. Elise.
Yes, 6 minutes. Marayong malayo pa, partner.
May chance pa ang Sangay dito. Kaya huwag kayong kukurap, lalong-lalo na kayo na mga nandito sa loob ng Sangay Sports Complex.
Partner, tutok na nanonood si Lim with the 3.
Yun lang, masakit yun.
Grabe, partner. That is a pamatay sunog on the part of Naga City. Kumbaga, nagrarun na ang Team Sangay, but there is Alexander Lim draining those 3-point shots.
14 seconds to shoot.
And Pilapil with a crossover. Pilapil kicks it out to Eugene Malyapre with a floater. Mintis. And yung bola natapik ni Jeb Bulawan and mapupunta sa mga taga-Sangay. Another substitution. Ayan na, pinasok na ang leading scorer ng Team Naga na si Jerome Almario para palitan si Villaflor. Ayan na si Malyapre. Attacking with the spin. With the reverse. Sayang, Mintis yun. Tiburcio with the defensive rebound.
Out of balance yung tirang yun ni Eugene Malyapre.
Ayan na si Almario. Stops and pops for 3. Kaboom! Grabe naman partner ang isang Jerome Almario coming off the bench. Malamig pa. And pagpasok, pumukul kagad ng walang kaaling-aling na 3 points.
That's an instinct of a scorer talaga. Once na ipinasok siya from the bench, pagka mayroon siyang chance na makapuntos, talagang titira siya. He is sizing, kumbaga, kung ano ang mai-offer niya kaagad early on.
Tama ka dun partner. Jerome Almario is a born scorer talaga. Once he gets the ball and may puwang na binigay ang depensa, talagang titira na lang.
Tama.
And napatawag agad ng timeout ang Team Sangay with 5 minutes and 42 seconds na nalalabi sa ating laro. Lamang ng 14 points ang Team Naga.
Yan, 77-63 po ang na-enjoy na kalamangan ngayon ng Naga. And kung hindi magbabago ang ihip ng hangin or sa madaling sabi, sa ibang pananalita, kung hindi magre-respond ang mga taga-Sangay against this dominant team na dayo dito sa kanilang lugar, ay walang magbabago. Mananalo ang Naga dahil we only have 5 minutes and 42 seconds, pero meron pa yan. Kaya pa yan ng mga taga-Sangay. And again, I'm saying they need to double up. They need to exert extra effort, do the extra mile.
Yan, tama ka dyan. And we are now back sa ating laro with 5 minutes and 36 seconds remaining. Almario against Lumabi, hands it off to Bang Sablaon. Sablaon flies with a floater. Mintis, Malyapre grabbing the defensive rebound. Ayan na si Cano against Lim, waiting for his teammates. Binigay kay Pilapil against Bang Sablaon. Ayan na, Malyapre humihingi na bola sa post and was tripped by Tiburcio. Ayan na si Tiburcio, spins, binigay kay Almario, waiting for his teammates against Lumabi. Ayan na si Almario, kinukulit ni Lumabi, naagaw. Ayan na, Lumabi loses the ball. Kumbaga partner, medyo minamalas na rin si Lumabi. It's a case, I guess it's a case of fatigue na ngayon, partner.
Tsaka he knows na nando doon, nakapwesto si Alexander Lim.
Yes, tama ka dun partner, nauna para antayin ang kanyang tira.
And he hesitated.
10 seconds.
Ayan na si Lim, attacking, kicks the ball. Tiburcio against Malyapre. Tiburcio attacking the defense of Monsalve. Mintis. Ayun na, Pilapil. At ayan na, Lumabi, drops it up to Camo. Cano, sorry miss. Cano again, grabs the rebound with a fall away for 2.
Making it.
Yes, it's just a 12-point lead, partner. Very manageable with 4 minutes and 19 seconds remaining. I guess Sangay has to double up this time.
Oo, they need to stop this one. Kailangan hindi makapuntos dito ang mga taga-Naga.
Yan na. Battle of two bigs. Ayan na si Sablaon cutting. What a pass by Jamil Bulawan.
Easy play once again. Easy 2 points for Team Naga.
Tama ka dun, partner. Good recognition on the part of Jamil Bulawan. Recognizing the cutting Bang Sablaon sa gitna. Ayan na si Lumabi. Hands it off to Pilapil. Pilapil may pick na binigay si Eugene. Pilapil attacking the defense of Bulawan. Lumabi drops it up to Eugene with a fall away.
They need to score.
Sayang. That is a sorry miss. Ayan na si Lim against Pilapil. Lim attacking. Lim using the glass for 2.
Ayan.
And
81-65. So it's a 16-point lead now.
I guess Sangay has to double up this time kasi talagang mahaba-haba at malayo-layo na yung lamang na binibigay sa kanila ng Team Naga.
Kailangan makapuntos na sila dito. If not, malabo na yung chance para makahabol pa sila.
Ayan na, with 7 seconds remaining, Pilapil has the ball. Pilapil hesitates with using the glass, misses the shot. Nakakuha ni Julius Tiburcio yung bola. Gives the ball to Alexander Lim. Lim, Sablaon for 3. Kaboom!
At ayan, linagyan mo na naman ng asin ang sugat at ikiniskis mo.
Yun na nga,
Masakit ang
partner.
tirang yon
That
ni
is
Bang Sablaon.
a very important 3 points on the part of that 3-pointer made the fans of Sangay slowly going out of the play court, partner.
Ayan, so under 3 minutes po tayo, mga kasurog, 84-65, so it's a 19-point lead. Ganon nga kabilis ang pag-alagwa ng kupunan ng Naga kontra dito sa home team na Sangay. At mukhang nawalan na ng pag-asa yung mga supporters nila. Pero ako, if I'm a true supporter, kahit ano mangyari, nandiyan na lang ako, I will stay
Yes,
until
tama.
matapos ang laro.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Talagang dapat.
Ito yung oras, partner, na talagang kailangan ng mga naglalaro, yung mga players, ang kanilang supporters. Diba?
Tama ka dyan, partner. Kumbaga dati will serve as an inspiration para sa Team Sangay. But of course, this is just the first game. Mayroon pa silang mga susunod na laro and they expect them to be aggressive come sa second game nila.
Kaya lang siguro ang iniisip din ng mga tao, yung mga spectators, yung supporters ng Sangay na ayaw naming makita na matatalo talaga
Yun din naman.
Kaya uwi na lang kami.
Yes, yun din naman ang medyo masakit sa kanilang mga damdamin at isip na natalo ang kanilang home team.
Oo. Pero di pa naman po tapos ang laban. We still have 2 minutes and 46 seconds. Yun nga lang, 11 po ang hinahabol.
Yan na si Buela again with the baseline jumper.
Buhay pa kami, sabi ni Buela.
Very reliable baseline jumper on the part of Buela. And ayan na si Bang Sablaon, partner. This 3-guard lineup of Naga City talaga is working wonders for their team talaga. Especially ngayong second half. Ayan na Almario again for 3. Kaboom! Grabe, partner. Ako nawawala na ako ng energy dahil sa 3 points na binabato ni Almario.
He's feeling it talaga magmula pa sa umpisa kanina. Talagang feel na feel ni Almario ang kanyang tira.
Tama ka dun, partner. He is feeling it talaga. I guess as of my count, meron 7 or 6 na 3-pointers na pinukol sa laro ang isang Jerome Almario.
Tama ka. Siguro mga 6 or 7.
And ayan na, partner. We are heading sa ating last 2 minutes with the score of 69-87 in favor of Naga City. Ayan na si Sablaon against Malyapre. Sablaon, medium range jumper. Mintes, nakuha ni Buela. Ayun na si Lumabi, nangunguna. Lumabi flies and scores for 2. And meron tayong substitution. It's a platoon substitution, partner. Kumbaga, I guess this is it's a statement for Naga City na this is over. And ipasok na ang kanilang mga seldom used players to give time sa mga players na hindi nagagamit.
Tama. At makapagpahinga na din yung mga key players nila.
Yes, tama.
Pero iniwan nila ang masasabi kong key player na si Jerome Almario.
Pero partner, pinasok niya ang isang 6'4", 6'5 guard na si Fons Bichara na pwede mag-start in any team dito sa ating tournament. Ayan na si Azuer. And Bichara was called for an offensive foul. And medyo hindi niya natawagan, gustuhan ng tawag kanina. But I guess play will go on. And sa ating fourth quarter, meron tayong 1 minute and 20 seconds. Lamang pa rin ng 16 points ang Naga City.
Tama. And right now, Fiben Lumabi.
Ayan na. Si Buela misses the shot. Almario grabbing those rebound. Ayan na. And melting the clock. And ayan na. Si Aureliano gives the ball to Bichara. Aureliano for 3. Oh, nako, gandang offensive rebound ni Sam Madridano.
Tama.
Grabe naman yun.
It's a big rebound for Madridano.
Grabe. Yung luxury of having Madridano off the bench, Aureliano talagang this Naga City is a force to be reckoned with.
Tama. They have a deeper bench. Talagang nasa bentahe talaga itong Team Naga.
And I guess, partner, is safe to say na this game will go down and
this will go to Naga.
Will go to Naga City. And ayan na, syempre, kudos pa rin to Sangay for having a good fight. Ayan na si Asuwer attacking and scores for 2. Ayan, dumagdag pa siya sa stat sheets natin.
Tama. So it's a 20-point lead.
Yes, it's a whopping 20-point lead. And I guess time is running out on the part of Sangay. And yun na nga, ladies and gentlemen, that ends our game with a score of 71-91 in favor of Naga City.
Pero napakaganda ng pinakitang laban nitong Sangay kontra sa powerhouse team ng Naga. Bumigay lang sila actually, nasa kalagitnaan na ng third quarter. Pero yun, talagang hindi nila napigil itong si Jerome Almario na kumana sa tres. Hurting them much sa game na ito. And hindi rin gaano nakapag-contribute offensively itong in-expect natin na sina Eugene Malyapre.
Yes, I guess that is the missing piece or missing link sa Sangay. The scoring, the leading scorer, I guess, ng ating tournament na si Eugene Malyapre has only limited points because of the much taller, much bigger front court ng Naga City.
And malaking tulong din sana si Dan Monsalve kung nakakapag-contribute siya offensively. Pero dito sa larong ito, talagang halos hindi ko nakita nakascore dito si Dan Monsalve because siguro factor yung kanyang iniindang sakit sa kanyang ankle.
And syempre, he was forced to guard those bigs ng Team Naga talaga, kaya siguro pagod na. And syempre, what stands out sa ating laro is yung guard rotation na binibigay ni Coach Duki with the likes of Lim, Sablaon, and syempre si Almario. And another guard is Villaflor talaga. Kumbaga, working wonders for your team. Grabe, partner, yung effort ng mga guards ng Team Naga.
Tama. And doon pa lang sa tatlong guards, ulam na, kumbaga.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Ulam na talaga. And yan na. Team Naga scores the first win sa ating second round.
Pero hindi natin nakikita sa koponan ng Sangay ang bitterness in losing this ball game. They know from the start na talagang dehado sila sa labang ito.
Yes, kumbaga they are facing one of the contenders sa ating tournament. So talagang they have to double the effort, and nakita naman natin na talagang lumaban sila. But in the end, still, Naga City prevails sa larong ito.
And para sa Sangay, at least na-testing na nila kung how it is to battle against sa masasabi nating pinaka-most deadly team dito sa ating tournament, which is Naga. And siguro magbibigay din ito ng confidence sa part ng Sangay sa mga susunod nilang laban against those other teams na napasama po dito sa bigatin ang ating quarterfinals Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur.
Tama ka dyan, partner, kasi yung scoring load ng team Sangay talaga very much distributed sa mga players. Kumbaga it's a good sign pa rin despite the loss.
At saka yung makalamang ka during the game. Ang masakit lang talaga kung right from the start hindi ka talaga man lang nakalamang sa laban. Yun ang medyo talagang makakawala ng kumpiyansa. Pero siguro mag-huddle up yung mga taga-Sangay. Alam nyo, muntik na tayong manalo. Lumalamang nga tayo, kaya lang talaga kinapos tayo.
Tama ka dyan, partner. And siguro, yun na nga, inaabangan natin. Marami tayong candidates for Kasurug Best Player of the Ball Game. Marami, partner. Halos lahat na pinasok na malalaking minuto ng mga taga-team Naga ay nag-contribute.
But I guess the biggest candidate for our Kasurug player of the game is still Jerome Almario, na siguro kumana ng mga more than 20 points kasi kanina meron na siyang 17 at kumana pa siya ng mga 2 o 3 3-pointers. So
tama nga, we'll see kung talagang si Jerome ang hihirangin Kasurug Best Player of the Ball Game.
At nakadepende na yan kay Miss Barbie Floriano kung sino ang bibit-bitin niya in front of the camera.
Tama ka dyan, partner.
I-present as Kasurug Player of the Game dito sa unang laban ng mga taga-Naga at Sangay dito sa ating bigatin quarterfinals ng ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur leg. John, tayo ay magpasalamat once again sa mga nanood sa atin dito sa court mismo, sa venue, sa Sangay Sports Complex. Punong-puno po tayo kanina. And of course, those who watch online gamit ang ating mga Facebook pages na Ako Bicol Cup sa YouTube channel, yung ating Representative Saldico Facebook page. Ayan, madami din yung nanonood dyan at maraming updates kayong makukuha dyan. And of course, yung ating Ako Bicol Online TV and yung Ako Bicol Party List Facebook page mismo ay mapapanood nyo din po yung ating mga laban dito sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur.
Tama ka dyan, partner. And syempre, pasalamatan din natin yung mga pumunta sa ating game venue na walang sawang sumusuporta lagi pag may mga laro tayo sa labas ng Naga City. And syempre, maraming salamat syempre sa walang sawang suporta ng Ako Bicol Party List and syempre ang ating butihing congressman na si Congressman Saldico.
And of course, we would like to thank the LGU of Sangay for having us here. Alright, in a few minutes or in a few seconds siguro, ay papasa na natin kay Miss Barbie Floriano. Ayan, meron tayong hudyat from our direct Christian Calleja. Nandito din si Paul sa ating technical team. Well, ito po si Kapa Morgan at kami po ay magpapaalam ko. Partner, mayroon ka pa bang parting words sa ating mga
wala
kasurog?
naman, very thankful lang talaga for this wonderful reception sa Team Sangay and syempre sa LGU ng Sangay.
Again, nanalo po ang Naga over the home teams Sangay sa ating second match-up sa ating unang day dito sa ating Bigaten Quarterfinals Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Now, bibigyan na namin kay Miss Barbie Floriano at ang ating kasurog player of the game.
Thank you so much, Coach Morgan and Coach John. Kasama ko na nga ang kasurog player of the game, jersey number 19, Jerome Almario from Team Naga with 23 points, 3 rebound and 4 assists. Congratulations, Jerome. At unang laro nyo ito sa quarterfinals at unang panalo nyo rin. How does it feel to win tonight?
Sobrang blessed lang. Papasalamat kami. Nagawa namin yung pinapagawa sa amin ng coaches namin. And papasalamat din kami sa Sangay.
May gusto ka bang batiin at pasalamatan? Go ahead.
Binabati ko yung mga coaches ko and yung mga bosses, Bob De Vera, and Boss Joe Sabal, and sa boss ko na si Boss Chano Morano. And si Mayor, thank you po.
So congratulations again, Naga and Jerome. And here concludes our games for tonight. In behalf of Representative Zaldico, Ako Bicol Party List, Ako Bicol Cup Technical and Production Team, Sir Lloyd Rivera, our Commissioner, this is Barbie Floriano, your courtside reporter, saying thank you so much for continuously supporting this tournament. And we will be at San Fernando Municipal Covered Court tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Good night, mga kasurog.